Hello, good morning, and welcome to Meena Mantra. So, today's yoga or exercise is all about cushion. So, all you need to have a two cushion and job done. So, let's start with our cushion exercise workout level 1. So, keep the cushion like this way, put your feet here, one feet only, and lift the other feet, and come on, balance here. So, balance it here for a couple of breaths, then change the feet and balance with the other leg. So repeat this for 5 to 10 times. So this will strengthen your hand and leg. And if you want to do the extension, raise your toe. Just stand on your toe. So stand on your toe. So repeat this couple of times. That's it. Okay? We're going to do the cushion workout number 2. So hold your cushion like this, hold this like this, go down, lie down and come up, lie down, come up. So do this 10 to 20 times and you will see. Try not to stumble. So this can be a good exercise. Just bringing the cushion to your leg. So do it 10 times, 20 times, depending on your capacity. And once you're done that, and then roll the cushion left to right. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. Now you can lift your leg, lift your feet, and do it left to right, left to right. Just cushion. And then you can bring two cushion together, and then bring it to your chest, out and in, out and in. You can do this. Do it 10 to 20 times. Once you are doing this, then you can, but after each and every workout, take a break. Take a break. So all you have to do is hold two cushion in the hand, rotate it clockwise, 10 times, and then anti-clockwise 10 times. So this way, you're holding light weight in your hand and you're doing the shoulder exercise. So again, you can stand up here and go side to side, side to side. This is again, you're doing your back exercise, hand exercise, light weight in your hand. Okay, take a break now. Okay, so we are going to do another workout with the cushion. This time you need to have two cushions together. So we are going to do the leg exercise and exercise both together. So stay on your knee like this way, on your toe, and then raise your one hand out, other hand out. One hand out, other hand out. One hand out, other hand out. You can do the extension. So same, my right leg is outside, left hand is outside. Now my right hand is outside and left leg is outside. So just do the opposite, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. So this way you're doing the full extension of your leg and hand both. So repeat it 10 to 20 times and do at least 3 to 4 repetitions of this. Take a break and raise your. So we're going to do the cushion, stand on the cushion here, do the squat and lift your heel. Do the squat, lift your heel. Do the squat and lift your heel. So repeat it 10 to 15 times and do at least 3 to 4 repetitions of this. So sitting on the cushion, lifting your heel. So you're working out your calf and same time building your strength. Well done. Keep doing. That's it. Take a break. Hello. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe Meena Mantra and keep doing lot of workout with pillow, with the water bottle, milk bottle, sugar boxes, whatever you have, and be happy and healthy. Thank you once again.